So now the next step is to adding the voiceover to the video. Okay, so here you can see this was our video. Okay, so here you just need to go to this audio tab over here. Okay, and now here my friends, you will going to see that we have some background music already added. If you want to add some voiceover, you can just click on this voiceover. You can even upload some of your external audio as well as a voiceover, but right now we are just going to go with this voiceover, and you can just select any one of them. Okay, like you can listen to all of them, male or female. So for example, I will go with the, let's say, female one. Okay, and then from here you guys need to select any one of them. Okay, like this one.
Welcome to Pictory.
So here you can see this is the voice. So I like this voice, so I can just simply click on this apply. Okay, and this will be applied. Okay, now if you will just preview this one. Okay, so let's wait for it to get add the voiceover, and it will going to create the complete preview for us. Okay, so you guys do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, so let's wait for it to add the video preview. Okay, so let's wait, almost done. Okay, 64%, 66%, 68%, 70%, it's almost done. So after it will going to render the preview, and if we like it, then we will going to of course download this one. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait, almost done. Okay, so let's wait for the video to get down preview. Okay, so it's almost done. Sometimes it takes plenty of time to showcase the preview of this video, but we do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so let's wait. It is taking a bit of a time. So you can see after you will going to wait for a few seconds, it will going
yoga
to
poses you can do right now.
Play the video.
Video description.
Okay,
in this video, we will show you 5 easy yet effective yoga poses to help you relieve stress and anxiety. These poses are beginner friendly, and you can do them right now in the comfort of your own home. 5 keywords: stress relief, anxiety, yoga poses, beginner friendly, home workout. Introduction.
okay, so you can see that it has added all the necessary audio over here with the proper graphics and all. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Now you can just simply click on this download button, and then you just have to click on this video. Okay, so now it will going to download the video. Okay, so you just need to wait for a few seconds, and you have to wait for processing the audio to complete, and after that you have to wait for the step 2, that will be to generate video. Okay, so you basically don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for the few seconds. Okay, so let's wait, and let me just pause this video. Okay, so you can see my friends, after we have waited, the video has been downloaded completely. Okay, so after it will be processed, so it will going to show you this download button. You just need to click on this download button, and then you will going to see the video will start to download. Okay, and after it will be downloaded, you can just simply click here, and you can see your video over here. Okay,
Video title: poses you can do right now. Stress and anxiety can feel overwhelming and affect both your physical and mental health. Yoga is a great way to help you manage and reduce stress and anxiety levels. In this video, we will show you.
So you can see in this way you can just create a YouTube video very easily. Okay, And I always suggest you guys to change the video title that is relevant to your video. Okay, for example, our is related to yoga, so I will just going to name it as a yoga. Okay, and then you can just put the destination whatever you want it to. Okay, so in this way we have generated the video through the script, and we have also added the voiceover for the video. Okay,